Hey guys, in this video we're talking about case sensitivity, and when you install SQL Server, primarily like in America, the out-of-the-box default setting is that it's case insensitive. And the reason why is probably because a lot of people that use SQL Server use Windows, and Windows is not case sensitive. It'd be different if you were installing, say, like Oracle on a Linux box or even SQL Server, maybe you might want to make it case sensitive. But anyway, here's what happens. So normally, triple A capital letters and triple A lowercase. In SQL Server, if I say, are they equal? Well, it usually returns true. See, they're the same. Select the same, okay? But that's not what we want. Remember, if we're using passwords, like let's say this is what's in the database, but this is what they put in on the website. Maybe they had cap locks on. That's no good. So how do we know if it's the same case without writing some big, long, ridiculous function? Well, when I click over to this code window, look at the code and just see what's different. It'll pop right out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, see this word collate and then see all this stuff over here? This is a setting, and I'm sorry that it's ridiculously long. I didn't make it. It's got the CP1. I mean, what is that, a droid from Star Wars? Hey, CP1, do you know where C3PO is? Nope. The CS is the main thing. It says case sensitive, okay? Case sensitive means that it's going to be case sensitive. It's part of collation. Normally when you install it, it's set to CI. So let's just rip through this. Boom. See, now it says that they're different because they're not equal. This does not equal this when you're actually looking at the case. So they're different. That's all you got to do. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love it, you may want to subscribe. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta.